Let's learn 5 English idioms with the colour blue. Firstly, a bolt from the blue. This means something totally unexpected or surprising. For example, "Wow, this is a bolt from the blue. I thought marriage wasn't for you." Next is blue collar. This means a job which involves manual labour. For example, "I love my blue-collar job in the mines." Feel blue. This means to feel sad or depressed. "I'm feeling blue, I've just been dumped." Out of the blue. This means something happens all of a sudden or unexpectedly or without warning. The sun was shining, then out of the blue it started thundering and lightning. And finally, the boys in blue. This is a slang term for the police. "I've just joined the boys in blue." Visit the website and subscribe to our channels for more idioms and expressions.